Happy Monday! Ngayong araw nga, si Calvin mag-a-attend ng kanyang prom. Wow! Prom talaga, diba? So in the previous vlog, nakita nyo naman, nag-volunteer kami to help out. Set up yung parang pinaka after party area, which is gaganapin naman yan sa school. And yung mismong actual prom will be held sa hotel. Here lang din sa Richmond. Everyone is trying to avoid downtown Vancouver because of FIFA. Dahil nga crowded and everything, yung organizers, they held the prom here na lang sa Richmond. So, which is advantageous sa mga parents kasi malapit lang. So, today nga, officially, wala nang pasok si Calvin. Pero siguro konting backstory lang. Nung Friday nga pala, it was their, Calvin's last day sa school. Alam mo yung sobrang, parang, I saw mga reels, ginagawa ng mga estudyante. Parang, they're doing this, parang countdown, yung parang last few seconds nung school prior to making it really official na yun yung parang pinaka last day nila. Parang sobrang nafe-feel mo talaga yung kasayahan ng bawat isa, that they were very thankful, grateful. Makes you look back and think, nung panahon namin, alam mo yung familiar ka sa ganong feeling eh. Yung high school mo na, oh yeah, it's time, Parang you're ready to take on the world. Makes you go back in time na parang, oh yeah, I know that feeling, Talagang you can relate. Nagkaroon pa nga sila ng parang dito, parang they went to the school. Si Calvin, umalis yan, mga 5 a.m. in the morning. They're gonna meet with friends, parang sunrise something event. Parang lahat ng mga high school nag-graduate, they went there para salubungin yung sunrise sa school grounds. Sobrang daming ganap. Calvin has always been, so focused on studies. Nakakatuwa lang that he's finally getting that sense of parang something to look forward to, something to enjoy in his time sa high school. It makes you proud lang kasi nga puro ang ginagawa niya is puro aral lang talaga talagang pagpupursige. And lagi ko naman sinasabi sa kanya, hindi lang yon ang buhay sa high school. Sinishare ko din sa kanya, the very best part of it is yung experience na makukuha mo with your friends. And eto nga, na-realize ko na dumating na siya sa ganung point sa very last leg na ito yung na-experience niya. Mapapasay ka na lang sigh of gratitude kasi umabot na yung anak mo sa gantong punto ng kanyang buhay, and it's really a great milestone to have, kasi yung core memories, core friendship, eto na yun, dito niya na makukuha yun, dito sa high school life niya. It's 8:05 in the morning. Sabi namin ni Joyce kanina, baka nga maghiwalay pa kami ng kotse papunta mamaya sa bahay for lunch. Kasi baka mag half day daw siya. Kasi yung alis ni Cal mamaya for prom, I think 3 o'clock siya dapat nasa school or 3:30. And then dadalhin sila sa mismong prom venue up to I think 10 or 11 p.m. sila doon. After nun, they will be brought back sa school for the actual after party nung prom. Yun yung kung saan kami nag-decorate at tumulong at nag-volunteer. Makes me also realize a lot of things, including yung I'm thankful kay Joyce. Kasi kung hindi dahil sa kanya, alam mo yun, hindi ma-open din yung eyes ko on attending this type of activities, yung mga volunteer work. Lalo na when it comes to Calvin's, I guess, milestone. Kasi siya talaga yung nagpupush na parang, tara, tulong tayo, kasama tayo. Gusto niya talaga maging a part of it. You know, time just flies so fast. Hindi mo na mamalayan, no? Talagang nandun ka na sa age na yun of your life to experience this kind of things. Hey guys, naghiwalay kami ng kotse ni Joyce kasi magka-half day na daw siya. Merong family photo daw si Calvin mamaya na pwede kaming sumama. Hindi to planado, pero since it's a big milestone, may gawa natin ng paraan. So sinabi ko na sa boss ko kanina that I'll be stepping away. 30 minutes lang naman para makapunta sa school, makapag take ng few photos, and come back to work after. Pero I'll be working from home na at that time. So nandito tayo sa school ni Calvin. Nakita nyo, naka-dress up na po ang mga bata na magpa-prom. I-meet natin ngayon si Calvin. Oo nga. So ito na yung photo. Waiting for the actual photo. Ayan na. Okay, see you. Bye. Alright, thank you. Bye. Bye. See ya. Oh, yun. Tapos na. Ikaw, nag-picture ka lang. Inisip ko, maluluha ba itong kasama?
Bakit? Hindi, oh.
It's a milestone.
Hindi ako naluluha.
Hindi,
Iinis ako ang hit niya.
iniisip ko nga kung maluluha ka.
Iba ka ikaw.
Hindi, naisip ko lang para, nga, grabe. Malaki na yung anak natin. Literal at saka, ano ba, intellectual.
Mature na.
Matured, grown up. Ayan. Tapos na ang schedule natin, kaya uwi na tayo.
The city of mine, it never gets me down. City of mine.